This must be a seismograph. I recognize it from TV. I wonder if Mr. Lyle is here.
Oh, hi, Mr. Lyle.
Hi, girls.
We're the treehouse detectives. We called you about an earlier tremor. Now we need to know if you've recorded anything on your seismograph today.
As a matter of fact, we did, and here it is right here.
Wow, was that an earthquake? Can you really tell from that reading?
We're not sure at this time. We're analyzing the data because not all detected tremors are related to earthquakes.
Analyzing your data is very important in the scientific process.
In this area, most of the tremors we detect are relatively small, travel a short distance, and generally occur between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. This suggests that they're caused by human conditions.
We learned that there are earthquakes because there are breaks in the Earth's crust that are moving along fault lines. Are there faults in Virginia?
Yes, there are numerous faults in Virginia, but not all of them are active faults.
Wow, does Virginia have a lot of earthquakes?
Not really. In the last 30 years, there have been more than 150 earthquakes in Virginia. But these are low-intensity events, seldom felt by people.
Where do most Virginia earthquakes occur?
Most seem to occur in the central and western part of the state.
We don't live near that part of the state. What other things could cause a reading on your seismograph?
Anything that shakes the ground can be recorded. Here's a seismogram, or paper recording of that construction blast from the other day.
It looks so small, but it created such a big boom.
Well, our seismometer, or measuring instrument, is very sensitive. This is what automobile traffic and even storm waves from a beach look like.
That's pretty neat.
The seismometer is buried 70 meters below us. It is so sensitive that we had to put it in a very quiet place.
That's way down there.
Would you like to see a seismogram of a confirmed earthquake?
Yes. What are the little square marks?
How can you figure anything out?
You guys have lots of questions. Well, every square ticks off a minute.
Oh, so you can tell when an earthquake happens and how long it lasts.
That's correct. To most people, these look like squiggly lines, but when I look at them, I see S&P waves.
Like sound waves.
They are somewhat like sound waves. These are vibrations in the earth.
That doesn't look at all like the tremor we felt. Does that mean it wasn't an earthquake?
Not necessarily. A local earthquake could look very different from this.
We need one of these in our treehouse. Then we could measure the next tremor.
I think Dr. D is down the hall building a seismograph.
Dr. D, a seismograph? We're there.